Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Why is my car stalling? Common causes and fixes. Is your car stalling, leaving you stranded and frustrated? A stalling car is not just an inconvenience, it's a safety hazard that needs immediate attention. In this video, we'll explore the common reasons behind a stalling car and guide you through the steps to diagnose and fix the issue. Whether it's a fuel system problem, a faulty sensor, or an ignition system failure, knowing what's wrong can save you time and money. Let's dive in and get your car back on the road running smoothly. Common reasons for car stalling. When your car stalls unexpectedly, it can be a frustrating and potentially dangerous situation. Understanding the common reasons behind car stalling can help you diagnose and address the issue promptly. Fuel system problems. Issues within the fuel system can often lead to car stalling. A malfunctioning fuel pump can disrupt the flow of fuel to the engine, resulting in stalling. Similarly, a clogged fuel filter can restrict the efficient delivery of fuel, causing engine misfires and stalls. Problems with fuel injectors, such as clogging or improper spraying of fuel, can also lead to stalling by disrupting the air-fuel mixture required for combustion. Ignition system issues. The ignition system plays a crucial role in starting and running your vehicle smoothly. A faulty ignition coil can cause intermittent stalling as it struggles to provide the necessary spark to ignite the fuel mixture in the engine cylinders. Issues with the distributor cap, such as cracks or carbon tracking, can also disrupt the distribution of electrical current to the spark plugs, leading to engine misfires and stalling. Additionally, worn-out spark plugs can fail to ignite the fuel-air mixture effectively, resulting in stalling and rough idling. Faulty sensors. Modern vehicles rely on various sensors to monitor engine performance and make real-time adjustments. Sensors like the crankshaft position sensor, camshaft position sensor, and oxygen sensor are vital for ensuring optimal combustion and emission control. When these sensors malfunction or provide erroneous data, the engine may stall due to incorrect fuel delivery, timing, or air-fuel mixture. It's essential to address sensor issues promptly to prevent recurrent stalling incidents and maintain engine efficiency. Diagnosing car stalling. Diagnosing car stalling issues is crucial to pinpointing the exact cause and resolving the problem efficiently. By following a systematic approach, you can identify the underlying issues that lead to your vehicle stalling unexpectedly. Here are some key methods to diagnose car stalling problems, using OBD2 scanner. An OBD2 scanner is a valuable tool for diagnosing car stalling issues. It can retrieve diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, stored in your vehicle's computer system. When your car stalls, connecting an OBD2 scanner can provide valuable insights into the potential causes of the stalling episodes. By scanning for DTCs, you can identify specific problems related to engine performance, sensors, or other vital components. Visual inspection. Conducting a visual inspection of your vehicle's components is essential in diagnosing stalling issues. Check components such as spark plugs, wiring, and hoses for visible signs of damage or wear. Damaged spark plugs or loose wiring can lead to engine misfires and stalling. By visually inspecting these critical parts, you can identify potential issues that may be causing your car to stall unexpectedly. Testing fuel pressure. Testing the fuel pressure is another important step in diagnosing car stalling problems. A fuel pressure test can determine if inadequate fuel delivery is the root cause of the stalling episodes. Low fuel pressure can lead to engine hesitation, misfires, and eventual stalling. By testing the fuel pressure, you can assess the fuel system's functionality and identify any issues that may be affecting fuel delivery to the engine. By utilizing these diagnostic methods, you can effectively identify and address the underlying issues that lead to your car stalling. Whether it's retrieving DTCs with an OBD2 scanner, visually inspecting critical components, or testing fuel pressure, a systematic approach to diagnosis can help you resolve stalling problems and ensure your vehicle operates smoothly. Preventive maintenance to avoid stalling. Regular preventive maintenance is key to ensuring your car runs smoothly without any stalling issues. By taking care of your vehicle's essential systems, you can prevent breakdowns and maintain optimal performance. Here are some maintenance tips to avoid stalling problems. Fuel system maintenance. Taking care of your car's fuel system is crucial for preventing stalling issues. Ensure you replace the fuel filter as recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer to maintain a clean fuel flow. Regularly cleaning the fuel system and using quality fuel can also help prevent clogs and ensure proper engine operation, reducing the risk of stalling while driving. Ignition system care. The ignition system plays a vital role in starting your car and keeping it running smoothly. To prevent stalling, Make sure you replace spark plugs at the recommended intervals. Regular checks of the ignition system, including spark plug wires and coil packs, can help identify issues early on. Additionally, maintaining a healthy battery is essential for providing the necessary power to the ignition system and preventing stalling. Sensor maintenance. Periodic inspections and maintenance of sensors in your vehicle can help avoid stalling issues. Sensors such as the oxygen sensor, throttle position sensor, and mass airflow sensor play a significant role in regulating engine performance. Cleaning sensors and replacing them when necessary can help prevent stalling problems caused by faulty sensor readings. By following these preventive maintenance tips for your fuel system, ignition system, and sensors, you can reduce the likelihood of experiencing stalling issues while driving. Regularly servicing these essential components will not only improve your car's reliability but also ensure optimal performance on the road. Stay proactive in maintaining your vehicle to enjoy a smooth and hassle-free driving experience. Professional inspection and repair services. When your car starts stalling, seeking professional help can be a game changer. Certified mechanics play a pivotal role in accurately diagnosing and effectively resolving stalling issues. Their expertise and specialized knowledge can unravel even the most perplexing car troubles with ease. Certified mechanics. Certified mechanics are like detectives of the automotive world, skilled in understanding the intricate workings of your vehicle. By leveraging their expertise, you can embark on a quest to uncover the root cause of your car's stalling problem. With their hands-on experience and in-depth training, these professionals bring a level of precision and efficiency that is hard to match. Advanced diagnostic tools. In the fast-paced world of automotive repair, advanced diagnostic tools are the superheroes that swoop in to save the day. These cutting-edge devices enable mechanics to delve deep into your car's systems, identifying potential issues with utmost accuracy. By harnessing the power of technology, professionals can swiftly pinpoint and address stalling issues, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free repair process. By entrusting your car to certified mechanics equipped with advanced diagnostic tools, you can rest assured that even the most complex stalling problems will be resolved with resilience and expertise. Don't let car troubles derail your journey. Seek professional help and get back on the road with confidence. A car stalling can be a major headache, but it doesn't have to be a mystery. Regular inspections and maintenance are your best defense against unexpected breakdowns. Look out for symptoms like rough idling, loss of power, and trouble starting. Addressing minor issues can save you from expensive repairs down the road. Don't ignore the warning signs. Act fast and consult a professional mechanic to keep your vehicle in top shape. By staying proactive, you'll ensure a smoother, safer ride every time you hit the road. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.